Take number take number three, okay? I'm trying so hard not to put my videos in parts anymore. You know, upload part one, part two, part three. I'm trying to do it all in one. Alright, so from part from take one and take two, I learned a couple tricks like this. This is a new thing for me. I'm just gonna have you guys follow my hand a little bit in the beginning. Again, like I was trying to say in part one and part two, sorry about the bad videos. The introduction, there's no fancy music or anything. Um, all that fun stuff, and now I can't even think of what I was trying to say now. But let's get into it. Bam. Did all that already. Sliced in, alright. Let's close that back up. We already opened it, but okay, boom. Alright. Then we got the wrestling ring. Boom. That was first. Alright, let's get into it. A few wrestlers in there. Bubble wrap. Yeah, get out of here. It's gonna be a lot. Alright, I'm gonna place this down. And I'm just gonna smooth this up some. Oh, sorry about the sound. I know it's probably going in and out right now. Sorry about that. Let's get to it. First, Shinsuke. Seth Rollins. Alright. This might be my favorite. My favorite baggie. Okay. We have Hornswoggle. Edge. I believe it's SummerSlam. We have, believe this is Hawkins. Yeah, definitely not Ryder. Definitely not Ryder. We have a basic John Cena. Kurt Angle. I almost picked this up at Target before, but I was like, someone was selling it for cheaper than Target, surprisingly. I'm like, how can you go cheaper than that? Like, it was so cheap. But, yeah, there's that. I got an Elite CM Punk. I believe I have one of these. Big Show, Ric Flair. Alright, next. Brock Lesnar. Some from the ring. Some barricade and table pieces. We have Seth Rollins with a bun. So there you go. There you go. Blue Tista. Meaning to get one of these. Got one. We have a basic all black shirt Jeff Hardy. Been meaning to do a custom like this. But yeah. There you are. There you have it. Start from them in the ring. Oh. Here's something I looked at. I have one of these, but it's nice to have two. The Kane Undertaker. Undertaker Kane. Take his head off. Oh my gosh. It's tight on there, isn't it? Nice. Oh, I did like a custom where I cleaned off some of his beard to show just the bottom of his beard, you know? Like it looked more accurate to the picture. But this is cool. Nice to have two. So one I'll have as Undertaker and one I'll just have as Kane. There you have it. Cool. Oh. So we have basic Usos 2-pack. Jay and Jimmy Uso. Okay. I have these in box. Never took them out. We have Elite Unrivaled, I believe. Unrivaled or Revivals? Yeah. Revivals. I'm not too sure about the newer guys or the NXT guys, you know. But these are cool. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Okay, maybe. This one's harder to open because it ripped. For the basic Rock. I think I could use him for his elbow pads, knee pads. Maybe a custom. We have Lita. I have one of these already. I'll probably most likely do a custom for her. Probably do a head swap as well. Here we got Elite Gold entrance. Let's see. Yep, that's entrance greats Goldberg. Yeah, if it's not interchangeable, that's definitely entrance greats. So there you have that. Trying to fix them up. Oh, that's weird. That's weird. Sometimes I receive like wrestlers with their foot kind of arched, and I have to fix it. I don't know. I guess they try to do. I don't know. That's weird. But there you have that. Goldberg. Next. Oh, so we have accessories here. Ghostbuster accessories. Table, stand, table parts. Like an ounce table parts. Alright. Let's finish off these figures, then I'll show off some of the accessories. Got another bag. Yeah. I know this guy ran with Rusev. I've been meaning to get this figure before. Finally got him. Was gonna use him for a custom, probably a Hulk Hogan, but you know, they already have the Hulk Hogan out now. You know, the Hollywood Hogan. So yeah, this is But yeah, I forget his name, but yeah, let's get straight to it. Got Triple H. You know, I'll put him up there. Evolution time, you know. Baby. Oh, we have a Ted DiBiase Jr., I guess. Ted DiBiase Jr. Very loosey-goosey. Oh, crap, I'm using other people's words. Very loose. Yeah. I may be able to fix it. Oh, yeah, of course, I know how to fix it, but there you have it. Very, very loose, though. This is like the most loose wrestler I've ever received. Ever. Like, this is unreal. Man. Sheesh. We were doing something with that. Alright, we have another baggie. Starting off with the Rey Mysterio. Nice to see. I have one of these. I opened up the box, but I have another one with the belt. I only got it for the belt, but it's nice to see him. Alright, we got Mattel Great Khali. Oh my gosh, someone's beeping outside. Yeah, Punjabi Prison. You got the Punjabi. Boom. He's so tall. Look, can't even fit. There you have it. Sheesh. Sheesh. All right. Oh, Randy Orton. Yeah, Randy Orton. So now we have the full four of Evolution. Okay. Last bag of figures here. Then we'll get into the extras. So we have an Elite Ghostbusters, Shawn Michaels. I'll put him next to Triple H. We have an Elite Drew McIntyre. Whoa, he's tall too, isn't he? Whoa, hold on. Oh, he's not as tall, but he's still tall. We have a basic Shield, Daniel Ambrose. Put him back here. And Alistair, I believe. Alistair. I recently seen him. I watched like a match with him. He was doing like some cool entrance or something. Like it was awesome. Can't remember his name though. But there's that. And that's everyone. All right, so now let's get into. Hold on. Got a ladder. Got accessories. So you get the ladder. More parts for the announcer table. And a big bag full of accessories and heads and stuff that I was actually looking at. So, boom. Here you have it. I actually need this for a custom. I'm so happy I finally got this. Boom, you have the 3-in-1 Edge heads coat. Go with the edge over there. You got Ric Flair's robe. It's nice to see. I believe this is Edge's jacket as well. Oh, we got a blue microphone. Nice. Few ringside chairs. Oh, forgot. All right, you have. Oh, I think this is his. That guy right there is his shirt. Oh, this is. Let me see. This is a Seth Rollins shirt. Just throw it on. That was actually a good throw. Oh, we got a Raw shirt. Definitely keeping this. Oh, so some of these are going to be either given away or just gonna have to get rid of them somehow. But some of these I wanted for my personal collection, or for parts or something. I don't know. But yeah, there's some definitely keeping. So let's put that with. I guess I'll put that with Triple H. Here's Kane head. Let's see. Let's do like a quick swap-a-roo. Oh, that's hard. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay. Oh, sheesh, that is tight. But yeah, there you have it. Freaking Kane over there. Alright, so let's get straight to these accessories again. Put that over there. Undertaker. We have an ECW belt that came with Matt Hardy. He's not here. Okay. Got a blue tag team. I guess it came with the Usos 2-pack. We have a World Heavyweight Champion belt here. I guess I'll put that over there, actually. That's very reminiscent. Boom. We have one of those. Another one of these. One of those. Let me hurry this up. Another. One of those. Two. Shawn Michaels. Awesome. One of those. Red Universal Champ. We have the Edgehead Zack Ryder and Edgehead Edge. Well, Edge. We got a extra knee pad. Got an Intercontinental Champion. Just throw them in there. Oh, another heavyweight champion. Got one of those. Got a Money in the Bank. Got this belt that came with Kane. Another one of these. Got one of these. A hat, a Ghostbuster hat. Go with Shawn Michaels here. Elbow pad. I guess that's the Rock's. Got WWE microphone. Oh, got another Lita head. I guess the more modern Lita. We have a monitor for the announcer table. Shawn Michaels shirt. A bunch of hands. And a leaf. A bunch of hands here. Nice. I like this right here. This right here. Look. Too sweet. All right. And then we have this right here. And that's about it. Oh, wait. Oh. But then we got this. And last but not least, what I actually what I mainly bought it for, this right here. Never had my hands on one of these until now. It's freaking awesome, dude. All right. And boom, there you have it. So you have all that and that as well. And my knife. But yeah, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. My microphone is probably going in and out. So let me do it again. In and out. Sorry about that. I don't know how to fix that. It's on my phone. But I have another camera I'm going to use soon once I find that SD card. And actually when I get settled in my new house, let's say that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. What should I do next? I have more figures coming. Oh, actually, I have another package in there now that I think about it. I'm going to do a quick review on that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe for the 5th time. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy your holidays. And I'm out.